Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. And firstly, I recommended to check is you tap at the touch controls, because it was with me. I saw that touch areas located at the back side, but no touch areas at these earbuds located on the sides. And right here we have this touch area and here. So make sure that you press at these touch areas. And if it didn't help you, I recommended to perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. So then you just open the charging case and reconnect your earbuds with the phone. And with this method we can also fix this problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!